Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I am Anna Vanila and I welcome you to watch my videos. This is a try on haul with my new jumper which I've created, I've made it, and you can see it has open work pattern in here, and in here, pattern work, and in the sleeves. And it keeps me warm right now, and it's made of acrylic yarn, which is it's a friendly material because it's easy to wash and look after, and it lasts forever. So why not? When you make a jumper as good as this, you want for it to last forever. And it's cozy, it's very comfortable on my skin. I'm wearing it on the top of this wonderful new pajama, and I hope you like this jumper. I love it. For example, I love it. I make exactly like this one, only in green, also in acrylic yarn. So let's have a fun watching it. Tell me if you like it. If you like this jumper, please write below with comments.